Hi. If you're actually an Uber Eats delivery driver and you're looking to switch from bicycle to using a car, this video will guide you through the process step by step. So let's get started, okay? First things first, you actually want to open the Uber driver app on your phone, okay? Do that. Log in with your driver account if you have not logged in already. Then what you guys want to do is you want to actually go to the vehicle settings, okay? So on the home screen, just tap on the menu, okay? It's basically the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the map. Tap on that. Then from the menu, you just want to select account and then go to vehicle or vehicle options, okay? Do that. And then if you have already added a car to your Uber account, guys, then simply select your car from the list. If you haven't added a car yet, just tap on add a vehicle and follow the prompts to input all your car details, such as the make, you know, model, year, and registration. Then what you want to do, guys, is you want to actually switch to car mode. So after selecting or adding your car, the app will now default to using your car for deliveries instead of your bicycle. If needed, you can also update your vehicle availability settings to ensure that you only get car-based delivery requests, guys, okay? And then step number 5, guys, if you want to make sure your profile reflects the change from a bicycle to a car, just go to profile and update any relevant details about your delivery mode. You can also update your vehicle preference under your account settings to prioritize car deliveries. That's it, guys. Basically, now you have just switched from a bicycle to a car for your Uber Eats deliveries. Keep in mind that you can always switch back to a bicycle or any other vehicle the same way. Happy delivering, guys. So if this video helps, make sure you hit that like button. If you're still having trouble, you can comment down below and just try to help you out. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can see you in the next video.